Hello, classmates and tutor. I present the phase 3 of the guide. I consider that one of the seven wonders that surprised me most is the Osmash Picchu because it is very beautiful and is located on the mountain and is in Latin America. Hello, I tell you that I am amazed with this beautiful place and surrounded by much nature and feels a very special vibes. I knew the crafts that are made with alpaca wool and the genus animal of the region. At this time, I am heading toward of the urban part of the city, where are the Temple of the Sun, Temple of the Three Windows, main temple, and the Condon Scepter. I will wood sweet and cruise to take them to them I love. Thank you.